All right, food fanatics, get ready to ignite your taste buds. Today, we're diving headfirst into a dish so bold, so fiery, it earned the name Devil's Chicken. This isn't just dinner, it's an adventure for your palate, promising an unforgettable kick. We're talking serious heat here, built on a foundation of fresh habaneros, a generous kick of cayenne, and a secret blend of smoked paprika and chili powder. Each bite promises a thrilling dance of spice that awakens every single sense. This isn't for the faint of heart, but oh, is it worth it? First, we marinate tender chicken pieces in a vibrant, spicy paste, letting those incredible flavors truly penetrate. Then we sear them to golden perfection, locking in all that juicy goodness. Next, it's into a rich, simmering sauce, bursting with garlic, ginger, and a touch of tangy tomato. As it simmers, the kitchen fills with an aroma that's pure magic. The chicken becomes incredibly tender, absorbing every nuance of that devilishly delicious sauce. It's a symphony of spice, savory depth, and just the right amount of sweetness to balance the heat. Serve this masterpiece with fluffy rice to soak up every drop of that incredible sauce, or alongside some cooling raita for a delightful contrast. This Devil's Chicken isn't just a meal, it's an experience, a challenge, and a triumph. Get ready for compliments. So, are you ready to conquer the heat? This recipe is your ticket to becoming a legend in your own kitchen. Get those ingredients ready because your taste buds are about to embark on an unforgettable journey. You absolutely have to try this.